Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and we're going to go over how you would connect your phone to it. So to connect your phone, there are two ways. There's probably three ways to get into the phone connection. One, you can hit this phone icon up at the top on the touch screen, or you can hit the phone button here. And it says there's no phone connected, and so then we're just going to add a phone. And through that adding of the phone, we have this, and now we need to locate it with our phone. So you're going to take your phone and you're going to hold the Bluetooth option, and it's going to scroll and find available things. Now we need to find the Toyota Highlander Connect, so we hit that. Now we see that this passcode that's on the phone and the passcode that's there is the same, and so then we're going to hit OK, and it says it was successful. Okay, so phone has been connected and ready to make phone calls. There are the options to download your contacts or other information. You may not want to download your contacts if it's a rental or if it's not your vehicle. And so that's how you hook it up, but then you can have your dial pad to call people, enter and type in the phone number. Or if your contacts are downloaded, you can hit the contact option and scroll through and call people that way. And so that's how you hook up your phone. You go through the same process essentially to delete the phone. Just hit the settings. You can tap the settings here where you go to connect phone, and then tap on that phone. Tap on the phone. Well, that's disconnect all. But if you go into the remove, and then you would just tap in the phone and remove that phone. But that's how you can hook your phone to a vehicle, to your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.